Welcome back to our English challenge. This is day 2. Yesterday, we built our foundation. Today, we're going to make your English sound much more fluent and natural. We'll learn short, common phrases that native speakers use all the time. Listen carefully and repeat with me. I'm not gonna lie. Now let's use them in sentences. For example, I was about to call you. I kind of like this one. I literally forgot. I'm not gonna lie, that was difficult. I can handle it. Don't rush. It's not a big deal. I'm on my way. Let me check. Here's a secret to sounding natural. Connect your words. Instead of saying every word separately, let them flow together. For example, I'm going to call you becomes I'm gonna call you, and let me check becomes let me check. I'm on my way. Okay, let's practice slowly. This helps build muscle memory. Just listen and repeat. I was about to leave. I can handle it. Perfect. Now, are you ready for a fast drill? Let's test your speed. Repeat with me. I was about to leave. Don't rush. I literally forgot. I can handle it. I'm gonna do it. Fantastic work today. You're already sounding more natural. Keep practicing these phrases. Great job, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.